Oh! Oh my days, I just slapped myself in the Curlformer. Hi guys, it's me Ray from raytalks.co.uk, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a failed tutorial. So if you want to check this out, please subscribe and stay tuned. So here I have detangled my hair, and I'm just putting my detangled hair up in a hairband, and then I'm going to proceed and take down each section and attempt to put Curlformers in. As the tutorial progresses, you will see the issues that I had with these tools. So we start off with Curlformers, then waveformers, and then is it called spoolies. As always, it was an interesting attempt to do my hair, but I got there, kind of. Well, I don't know. Well, yeah. So make sure you watch this video, share it with at least one friend, and please help me get to 1,000 subscribers and hit that notification bell. Have a good day and enjoy the tutorial. It is a go! Yay! What type of rubbish is that? Brother, you see me here? This heck. Oh my, what is that?
What happened?
This thing is not working.
It is, you just don't know.
Me or Moshe, rather Moshe Ben. Look at that. Hook it up. Begin to hook yourself. Hook it.
You're hooking, but you're literally, you went to the next part even just now, but it's okay.
It's okay. What is
That's
that?
Oh yeah, you did it. I watched you do it as well.
Did what?
You, when you were picking the hair, you started going out of the section.
I didn't go in the out section.
Yeah, you did. Let me show you. And you have to twist at the root.
I did twist at the
especially
root.
because
You just made it dark. Sibling to the rescue. I feel like this is all what my video entails these days. It's good to have sisters and brothers. Brother, please, I need hair on my head. I need it. Alright, expert. Let's see if it works. I don't want this thing again.
Oh, is it actually not working?
Brother, it's not going.
Is it? Bro.
What a wasting of money.
No, it does work. Maybe take this part out.
That has nothing to do with anything.
Yeah, it makes
No, don't do that.
Okay.
That's twisted up.
It makes it straight.
It doesn't make any difference. Brother, put my lights back.
Yeah.
I'm sweet like chocolate. The lighting doesn't want to pick me up. Oh man, this is not easy. I know stuff. I'm just not good at all this.
You can be good.
Can be good. British laughter.
Just found it funny.
Look at the last time we tried to take out a simple crochet braid.
No, that's the fake.
Brother, hey.
Oh, okay, got it out.
Ah, got one out.
The fake hair.
Okay, actor. Ready for marriage. Look at this hair. I think it's cool shit.
Cool shit.
Cool shit. Oh yeah, hook yourself on there. Where to come? Brother, this thing is a joke, fam. Why is it doing that? It wants to hook, but it doesn't want to hook yourself. Sounds like a man. Oh, the feminists get angry.
No, it's just cringy.
This is so easy to do. Why is it difficult? Oh yeah, begin to enter yourself. Enter the place.
Disconnect, connect.
Brother.
Brother.
I'm tired of this. Everyday fail tutorial. Color! Just to hook something onto your hair like that.
Begin to hook.
It's not that I want to begin to hook. Every spirit of delay. 4 minutes, you know. Wow. Well, see ya.
Love, that's the thing I did.
Oh. This, if you rip my hair, you'll rip yourself. Rhoda, help me. Someone's head's about to rip off. You're asking me to be placed. I'm not that British right now, fam. Bam, have you used Curlformers?
Yeah.
Bam Bam, not Rhoda. No. Miss Natural. I just use gel from the plants and the nature. I don't put plastic on my hair.
I love my hair.
I'm just so ambitious when it comes to my hair, and I just don't even. It's not working. It's actually not working.
Oh.
What's
Maybe back in the day I used to twist it.
Now this section is getting dry. It's not about twist.
No, but still, seriously, take this part so it's a straight.
This. Is that how much you're gonna twist? Are we actually
literally
joking?
going really over the
That's
top.
so dumb. Black girl problem. You see, these are real tutorials. You just take it and just hook it up. That's not it, fam. Let's start telling the truth. It's the truth. Been here, look at that 6 minutes, fam. Power of editing will not even be look. Rather, this is a joke. This is a flat twist that you're doing.
No, but it'll unravel once it gets inside.
And then I'll be looking like Natty Dreadlock. I don't need that. Let's see. Oh yeah, loose your hold.
Victory.
But let me see.
It's inside the code.
But it's twisted. You see it? It's twisted. Ah, fair twist. You see? That's how you get. I don't want.
Oh
dreadlocks.
yeah, it'll be maybe curly Sue. Yeah.
I don't want a curly Sue or natty lock. I like dreadlock, but that's not the look I'm going for now. Let me turn that off. You see? It's time to get ready for bed. This should take me at least half an hour.
It used to take me quick, actually.
Yeah, because I'm just not good at hair. That's why.
Oh, maybe I should do that method and just wear my hair up because it was curly Sue anyways. Oh, that thing, is it clicked in well?
Multi-click, eh? It's because it's from China. Brother, go in my that
was
box.
from China.
Is it? Go in my box. Bring the pink one. I remember even someone said that the faux formers, that their sticks are just useless. This is a. Brother, get me that thing, please, darling.
The what?
The pink. Oh. Or shall I try waveformer?
Wow, you have so many.
So many. I need my money back. This is not. I'm doing it right. You're hooking it like this. Faire comme ça. Oui. Met this. Yeah. She back on.
Hi guys, you just hook it on like that, and you gently just pull the hair.
Victory.
Motisha. When I was talking like a YouTuber, the YouTube God said answer her prayer.
I don't like how it's straight.
Never do. This is really from China, fam. This is really from China. Look at that.
Maybe it's just this one Curlformer. Actually, it does curl. Look inside. It's just that okay, you're sorting it out. It's just annoying.
8 minutes. 8 minutes.
It is curling at the top. I just don't like how long. It is.
I don't like this. I'm curly suit today. Hi guys. So I've figured out how to put the curl or faux formers into the hair, but of course I've run out of curl formers. Faux formers. So I'm gonna use wave formers to put it on top. Do you know what? I just forgot that I have a lot of hair on my head, and these formers, it only allows me to put a tiny amount at a time. So we're gonna use these instead. So this is a fail, of course, but yeah. So I'm gonna go and put the waveformers in, and then I'll come back and show you, and then I will come back by God's grace the next day and show you the takedown. I have work tomorrow. I need to stop doing these things when I have work the next day, but I'm doing it for you guys. Please subscribe, and yeah. That's what I got so far. Length check. Wait, I haven't found a random Curlformer. Let me use that. Look at this. You're right there. What are you doing editing?
Yeah.
What's this shit there?
What, 'cause I'm...
Oh! Oh my days, I just slapped myself in the curl. So I've put the blue Curlformers in my hair, and you know, honestly, people are gonna think this is clickbait. I followed the instructions of how many packs you should buy for the Curlformers and the Waveformers. I think it was like 40. I don't know how many Curlformers are in my hair. As for the blue, I bought 4 packs of these Waveformers. Did I buy 4 packs? Maybe. Yeah, I think I bought like 48 in total. There's 48 in total, and we're finished the blue now. And now we're finished the blue now, and now I have to use the yellow. So this is exciting, isn't it? This is a joke. I look like, I don't even know. I found a random pink one, so that's why this is here. You know, I'm just hurt. Is there any more? Do you know what would be so funny? Imagine if there's actually a bag full of them somewhere, but I doubt that because I put them all in the same place. So this is what this looks like. I look like an absolute, I don't know, like something out of a CBBC. I don't even know what I look like. Like, I don't even know, like a Teletubby. Right. You know, I got some blue highlights and I got some orange at the back and streaks of pink here. Well, let me come back. It's almost 11:30 at night and I'm doing my hair and I have work tomorrow. This is not health message. God help me in a bit. Okay, so I've put all the yellow in. I don't know how many I bought. I don't know. So I put all the yellow in. I put the blue in, and I still have hair that needs to be something done to it. You know, if I knew I was not going to have enough, I would have probably never done this. This is so heavy on my head right now. I could put flexi rods, but I'm not going to put flexi rods. I'm going to put these. I'll show you. These things. I just pop it out like that and roll it around the hair. I obviously need to buy more of the Waveformers and more of the Curlformers. But yeah, let me come back and do this. And this, I'm just going to do it big because the way this hair is going to look, this is going to be a stretch style. It's just going to be weird. Maybe I should use flexi rods to elongate it. No, I'm not that bothered. I'll probably wear a headscarf tomorrow. You roll it like that, if I'm correct, and then you just pop it closed. That sits there. I don't think I did it properly. My hair has been detangled, if I haven't said that already. It's been detangled and I used the Pantone's I'm so tired, detangling milk.
Wow. Left me being trying to be woke at 15.
Finished! Oh,
yeah, 11:15. You're
oh
exactly.
my God. So guys, I finished. As we can see, we've got, I forgot what these are called. I think they're called Spoolies. Got Spoolies here. We've got some Faux Curlformers dotted around randomly because I found a few random ones. And then we've got the Waveformers. My head is so heavy right now, and I actually need to go to bed. I need to read my Bible and I need to go to bed. So I've got one of these, another band, and I'm going to try and hook it. Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly. Part of my thought, I should just leave it like this. This is not comfortable. Look how it looks. How should I do this, Rhoda? Should I do a pineapple? It's like my hearing is trying to leave me. Here with all this plastic.
It's like you're actually on the phone call.
Ah!
No, you're on the phone.
Ow! Oh my days, that was painful.
You know you're on a phone call, you start speaking louder. That's what you sound like right now with the Curlformers.
Shade Queen. I'm going to try and sleep with these. If I don't, I'll come on the camera and take them off because, wow. Good night and see you tomorrow. So as you can see, I'm taking out the curl formers, the wave formers out of my hair. Although this was a fail, you can see the level of shine that is in my hair. My hair is extremely shiny. It looks great. I use the Pantene detangling milk as a detangler, and that's the product that's actually in my hair, and I'm going to assume that's why my hair is so shiny. So if you're looking for shine when you're doing this hairstyle successfully, then I would ensure that you use that product. In the description bar, I do have a link to a review I did on the detangling milk, so please be sure to check it out. So just have a look at this beautiful shine, and let me know if you've tried curl formers or wave formers in your hair before in the comments below. All products will be listed down below.
Lima, twenye hom ohle, uta, relu